was very hard for me to just kind of naturally go about getting to know someone because I thought they were gay, because I didn't really know how to tell if someone was gay. And so when I did know if someone was gay, it was very exciting to me. And if I was attracted to them and wanted to get to know them, that was even more exciting. And I had no idea what I was doing, but I just tried to be as confident as I could and just talk to, the cute guy that I hoped was actually gay. And if they were, I was like, that's amazing. Now I get to know you, and hopefully we can have a relationship maybe. I mean, a lot of them fizzled out, and that's just how it goes. But it took until sophomore year of college until I found someone and had a steady relationship, and it was extremely fulfilling. I learned so much, and it really kind of advanced my self-confidence with being gay, because I knew that I could actually be happy in a relationship with another man. And before that, I wasn't actually sure, even though I was fully into men. There was just a question mark. So there was a lot of dating that happened, and then finally when I had a relationship, it was really fun.